Okay, the champions. How you guys doing today? A very good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you? I'm good. Thank you.
I'm
Yeah,
really good.
good morning, doing great.
Yeah. So guys, how was your last week experience after doing that outcome plus activity? How did you feel today?
Feeling
Uh,
very awesome because things are very clear now and power leaves to they are so strong. Yes, I
Yep.
can feel that. Yes, into this certain period of time, I have to complete these tasks, and I'm very happy, frankly speaking.
Oh, very good. And Wasim, how about you?
that same what Rajni has said, same feeling to me as well. I got a map and I can go anywhere. It's like the same. Task has
Wow.
made very easy and clear.
So now you're getting a like a roadmap crystal clear. This, and it's become
Yeah,
so easy to just go forward with this thing, isn't it?
yep.
Okay, okay, guys, with this good spirit, let me just start with this session. And what we're gonna covering today is Unleash You. So let me just quickly explain what is Unleash You. So Unleash You is a destroy any obstructions that may come in the way of your outcomes and discover what kind of impact your friends and other people you spend time with have on you. So guys, it is all about destroying your destroying the obstacles and everything whatever is holding you back, and just kind of making impact on friends and people which are surrounded with you. So that's the what we're going to cover here. So guys, for this we're going to jump into a very quick activity which is called my past decision activity. So guys, we quickly in this activity, let me just explain what you have to do. So there you will be get three set of questions, and you will have to answer all these questions based upon your past decisions. And with the purpose of this activity is to make you aware of where and how you could not make a decision in past. Like in our past we made multiple decisions and some were like good and some were bad. So here we are just like digging down what are the what things could you have done when you were experiencing those decisions and all, and you were not able to take the right decisions. So guys, in this, the instructions are very clear. You just need to read, and you need to write it down. Just quickly, you can see those all these three questions, and you need to write it down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes, and
Yes,
once it is done, let me know, guys, and then we can move forward.
sure.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Good. So Wasim, you're done. Done, Wasim. Okay. So let me just start with Rajni. So Rajni, please quickly let me know about your past decision that went wrong and
Yes.
what you could have done things differently about your decisions.
Yes, it was the time when I took a break during my child's birth, and over a certain period of time, I have rejoined my job. So what happened at that time? What was there on my way? What they have given me as a role, as a my profile, I have taken because I thought I am not well in good technology or something. So let me start from here. What happened?
Hmm.
From then onwards, the same profile has been I have to do for 5 6 years. So
Okay.
it was somewhere I find that it is not the correct use of my education and skills, and it is the time is wasted.
Okay.
Yes.
So what
So
did you learn from that experience?
I have learned that right at the right time, the correct decision with the good guidance
Hmm.
must be there. You should not come in the pressure because of the time consequences or something, but definitely you have to think and only you have to take the decision.
Very good. Very good. So thank you for sharing this, Rajni. And
Thank
let me
you.
just quickly ask from Wasim. Wasim, please let me know what about your past wrong decision and now at present what you could have done differently and what did you learn from it? Wasim, you're on mute.
Yeah. My first job, which I left without finding another job. So that was a mistake which I have made. So I think I should not have done that thing. So I learned from that. So if I in future, if I to do to quit my job or I to change my job, so I be in job and then finding another job. So that I learn and I'm doing that practice as well. So if I had not done that thing, so I had not suffered for 6 to 8 months. So that
Wow.
was my learning.
Wow. Good. Good. Thank you, Wasim, for sharing it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And now, guys, we're gonna move to a very amazing tool which is there in our system, and that tool is decision making wheel. This is one of my personal tool which I use. I will say like almost every day. So, guys, sometimes what happens? We are so much worried, and we are so much worried about something, and we think a lot about it, and in the end, we end up doing mentally paralyzed and confused what to do, man. I'm getting no answer. So it happens. I'm definitely sure it might happen with you guys as well.
Yep.
Yeah. So in this tool, we will resolve all these problems, and it will help you to take the right decision by asking you a series of step-by-step questions. And by
Sure.
end of those questions, you will come to know the necessary information for you to make the right decisions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to broadcast this tool to you. And initially there will be like two hypothetical scenarios. Why it is there? So that you will get a clear picture and understanding how you have to give the answers. So guys, as you can see in your manual on page number 93 and 95, scenario 1 and 2, you can go through it, and you, with this help of this tool, you can do it. So once I broadcast this tool, you need to click in the center of the tool, and you need to write down the problem, and after that go to each of the section around the wheel, answer the question in each section, use it both the scenarios. And once you're done, and I'll give you like around some say 20 minutes. So once you complete this activity, just go thoroughly with the question, just answer each and every question of this tool, and once you're done, let me know, we'll start forward.
Sure. Done.
Yep. Done.
Okay, good. So let me quickly ask from Radni. Radni, please, first of all, please let me know what scenario did you choose?
Yeah, I have done scenario 2.
Okay, good. So Radni, let me know, like, what are the three choices you could have made at that moment in that scenario two?
Yeah, I have to first I have to connect with the client one to one. It's not during the session, and after that I will just wait to change his mind state because he was emotional in the during the session. So I will wait to change the mind state and then discuss about the people who have already transformed their life through this system, and I will tell him that if he is leaving the program, this is his only loss.
Okay. So Rajni, thank you for that. And let me just quickly ask you the last question, which is, do you think, what do you think, like you made the right, do you think like you made the right decision, and why?
Yes, yes, of course, I have made the right decision because the system is so good, and one must has to take the benefit of transform his or her life.
Yes, yes. Very nice. And Rajni, thank you very much for sharing this thing. And guys,
Thank
let
you.
us just quickly move to our next activity, which is let's make a decision. So here we're gonna take a real life scenario, and we're gonna use the same tool. Okay. So again, the purpose of is to understand in near future, if you encounter any problem, you can use this same tool to make the right decision. So guys, I'm gonna give you again some 10-15 minutes. So once you're done, please let me know. We'll start with this. Okay.
Sure.
Okay,
Okay.
good. Wasim, done? Rajni?
Yeah.
Okay. So now it's time for Wasim. Wasim, please let me know a real life problem and what are the choices you made. And tell me, what did you learn from this?
Okay. So real life problem is now I am facing to stay in a coaching job, or I go and pass in my IT job.
So that
So
is the
these are,
problem, the problem.
yeah, this is the problem, and this is a choice as well, whether stay in go in IT job or do I go for a coaching.
Okay.
So these are the
Okay.
choice as well I have.
So what do you think the consequences of this choice will be with yourself and others who are involved with you?
Okay, so if I will be in IT job, so again I have to face a health issue which was done by past
Yes.
with me, because due to rotation shift or continued night shift that make my health disaster instead. So that's why I left that job and I'm
Yes.
looking for something different. So I
Mhm.
choose for a coaching. If I will be in coaching, I will be have a free time or my own time. I can work on my health as well, do anything. Exercise, and I can give some time to family as well. So consequence is very good in this coaching
Yeah.
for me and my family as well.
Yeah.
I'm able to be healthy and have a good time as well.
So if you go to the IT job, again, the consequence will be your health
Yeah.
will get spoiled. Okay, good.
Yep.
So what baseline do you need to consider?
Yeah, my baseline are matching in this coach because my baseline is honesty, faith, learning, growth, and all those baseline are matching in the second choice, which is coaching. Yeah, because there is
Okay,
a personal growth, learning, and honesty, faith, everything is there.
okay, okay. And how do you feel about the situation? Like,
Yeah, feeling very good if I will be in this what choice I have made. So I will be feel in a very happy way, and I will feel very good in this
okay,
job.
okay, good. So is there anything else you need to learn about it? Like,
Yeah, there are a lot of learning because this is totally new for me. So there are a lot of learning. I have to contact to my coach and
hmm,
mastermind to how to get clear all those things. Yes.
yes. So it's related to our next question, which is, do you need to ask for help, and who will be the person you need to ask? You will be
Yeah,
asking.
definitely there will be help required. My mastermind as well, you as well. You are my coach. I need help with you and my mastermind group as well.
Okay, good, good. So your what is your decision like by analyzing all this thing?
Yeah, my decision is that health is wealth, so that's why I have to be stay. I have to be go in the coaching part where
Good,
I will going to get more time.
good, good. So do you think you made the right decision and why?
Yeah, it's definitely I made the right decision. By looking my health and time, I
Hmm.
think I had made a right decision.
Wow. So I think that these all these scenarios and this all this question give you like a clear picture, like
Yep.
how you need to proceed
Yeah.
further. Okay, very.
Yes.
Thank you, Wasim, for sharing these things. A huge round of applause for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so guys, now I want to ask both of you, like with this entire process. So Rajni, tell me about your learning about completing this process, this
Yeah,
whole
it is
process.
systematic way. I mean, no problem. It's a big or a complicated. We find the solution in a
Hmm,
proper way by putting like our any kind of problem or situation coming in the life. We can put in the decision making tool, and solution will come.
very good. And Wasim, what is your learning about this complete process?
Yeah, same thing. Actually, we got the tool where we can make any decision. We have to put in that tool, and we will get our solution. Because before that, we are not making a decision in this way. So it's a very nice tool. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you. And guys, huge round of applause for both of you because you
Thank
guys
you.
are always excited, always indulging and making this thing successful. So, guys, with this, I will say we have successfully completed this session, and I'm gonna see you both in our next session. So, before
Sure.
that, as how we'll go like this. Keep your hand on your shoulder and say, Abhi, you did a very good job.
Wasim, you
Rajni, you
did a
have
very
done a
good
very
job.
good job.
And keep on rocking, guys. Keep smiling, and may God bless you and you never be
Sure.
the same. See you
Thank you.
guys in the next
Bye
session. Take
bye.
care. Bye bye.
Thank you.